Here we're going to use the discriminant, which is this formula right here, to identify how many roots there are to a quadratic equation. So just to remind you, roots is another way of saying the solution. It's what does x equal? And you can tell what that is if you're graphing it. It's always going to be the x-intercept. So if the discriminant is greater than 0, so if it's positive, that means the parabola is going to cross the x-axis in two places. There's two x-intercepts, two roots. If it equals 0, then the parabola is going to cross the x-axis in one place. There's one root, one x-intercept. And if it is less than 0, so if it is negative, then it's not going to cross the x-axis at all. There's no x-intercepts. So in order to use the discriminant, we need to know what b is, what a is, and what c is. So when your quadratic equation is written in standard form, you want all of your numbers on one side, and you want it either set equal to y or set equal to 0. So this equation is set up like that. It's set equal to 0. So a is the number in front of the x squared. So a is 5. So I'm going to change this then to a 5. And then b is the number in front of the x. So b is 3. So here, instead of a b, I'm going to write a 3. And then c is the number added at the end, that constant. So c is 4, positive 4. So once you have those substituted in, then you just simplify. So 3 squared is 3 times 3, which is 9. 4 times 5 is 20, times 4 is negative 80. And 9 minus 80 is negative 71. So I have a negative number. It is less than 0. So that means there are no roots, no x-intercepts, no solutions to this equation.